head though.
It was a head clash, yeah.
Good boy.
No, what's that?
Hands the ruck.
He's tough, like he's looking for it.
Charlie.
10 metres, boys.
Good run, Charlie.
Yeah, it was a good run.
He's got to get the ground. Well done.
That's it.
Roll away.
Just play the whistle. Go, Luke.
Other way. Go with him, Luke. Go with him. Get over, Roars. Angus, get over.
Great clean out.
Angus, wide out.
Good, Angus. Oh,
Roll away, Blue.
Oh, he got trampled there.
we got crunched,
He's
but
not going out.
you did well.
He's got to come on, Gussie, go again.
More.
Well done, Angus. Good run.